Welcome back, guys, to another amazing video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw rafters, all the types of rafters in this one. Now, this one may be a little bit tricky, but once you get the principle, you'll understand it. And you'll say, understanding now. So first, I'll enter, click here, there, escape, put on artful, enter key again. And actually, there, and right there, escape. And we're going to use XL, enter, vertical, click here, there, and where else? Right there. I'm going to draw a line. Actually, no. XL, enter, vertical, right there. And, alright. And I'm going to try to find a, actually, no. XL again, enter, click there, and right there. Alright. Now, after you draw those, we're going to do offset, enter, 600, enter, enter. Oh, I'm going to use TR, enter, enter. Trim that out. Oh, then I'm going to do my rafters now. OF, enter, 600, enter, click here, M, enter, click, ER, enter, enter. Actually, I'm going to use offset array. Up CO, enter, click this, enter, click from there. That's what I'm doing. A, enter, numbers away. 600, enter. Oh. And guys, that sometimes happens. Oh, nope. CO, enter. Click this, enter. Click this. 8, enter. Arguments, I want 4, 600, enter. Escape, and TR, enter, enter. Trim that out. Trim this out, we don't need that. And MI, enter. Click there, enter. Mirror lines from there, enter. And MI, enter again. No, not that. And after you draw on first rafter, you can do the same things. OF, enter. 600, enter. This, and enter. Click, and yeah. And TR, nope, I need another one. OF, enter. 600, enter. This, and enter. Click, enter. What's going on? OF, enter. 600. Wait. Okay, now it's working. TR, enter. That sometimes happens. Don't worry. Trim that out. And after you're done that, offset again. Actually, we're going to use mirror. MI, enter. This, that. Lines right here. Enter. MI, enter again. Or spacebar to reactivate. Enter. There. Up. And guys, this should take you about Probably 10 minutes. But 10 minutes for me is bad, but 10 minutes for you guys, it's amazing. Alright? So if you think that you failed, you actually did it. You did a good job. Alright? And then here's enter, click, 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 escape, click there, and F enter, enter. There. Should I just use multiple TR, enter, enter. Turn that out. Alright. This is getting more complex, but it's okay. Alright guys, so line again. Or should I just use XL, enter, horizontal, there, ER, enter, enter. Click, click, click that out, click that out, click, click, EX, enter. I need that line. GR, enter, enter. Trim, trim, escape. OF, enter. Escape. OF, enter. 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 Click, click. Escape. And TR, enter, enter. Actually, no, just EX, enter. Extend that, extend that, extend. Nope. TR, enter, enter. Click, click. So just drag up. Then draw line complete and escape. Then MI, enter. No, wrong baseball, wrong paper. Oh my. Click there, enter. MI, enter. There, there, there. Go down there, enter. Oh, that should be fine. OF, enter. 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 This, go. Enter. Click, 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 and escape. EX, enter. Extend that, extend that, extend that, extend that. And then TR, enter, enter. Trim that out, trim that out, trim that out, trim that out. Then after that, we're gonna do our last part. No, this part right here. So enter, enter, A, enter, A, enter. I want 4. 600, enter, escape, TR, enter, enter. From here, drag down, drag down, drag down there, then and offset, enter, 600, click there, go down, escape, TR, enter, there, 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 and then OF, enter, start it, enter, this, and enter, click, click, enter, X, enter, extend that, nope, not that. Then, actually, no, just continue. O, S, enter, click, TR, enter, enter, then MI, enter, then MI, enter again, click this, enter, and the mirror line's right there, enter, and that's pretty, actually, and that is pretty much it, guys. But, well, it's not really it, since I'm gonna add my roof layer to that, which I should have done. There. There. Drag up there. Drag. Drag. Click there. And you guys don't really have to like add your roof layer, but I want to. Click from there. Drag. Click. 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 And if I'm missing, nope. After that, I go down, then go to roof and escape. After that, guys, this is how you draw a complex hip roof. I hope you guys enjoyed this banger video. Please consider like and subscribe.